guys, good morning. Morning. 11 a.m. pa lang. Pupunta na tayo. Cebu Pacific Office. Kailangan ko magpa-RDT. Yan, mga rapid diagnostic test bago ako makapag-simulator. Nakaschedule ako for RDT around 1 p.m. pero umalis na ako ng mga around 11 a.m. Excited. So, it's gonna be a long day for me kasi after ko ng RDT, which is like scheduled to finish at around 2 o'clock, I will go to Clark at around that time. So, hopefully hindi siya traffic. So, hindi na tayo sa office.
So we're going down now. Naka-prepare na ako so kailangan kasi naka-face shield and naka-mask. So entering the office. So let's go. So ito yung mga forms na fill outan. So right now kukuha tayo na free face shield. Thank you, Sado. Thank you.
So, yay guys, tapos na tayo. And, positive. Negative po tayo. So, I'm fit to fly pa for 14 days. So, right now, ito na sinasabi ko, umulan na. Kaka-car wash ko lang. So, anyway, natin. Babahihin. Basta malayo pa yung journey natin. So, let's go. Quick update. According to my Waze, we are 89 kilometers away and we have 1 hour and 13 minutes left on our trip. So, yan. Nasa NLEX na tayo ngayon. So, yes, so, parang di naman traffic. So, mabilis na lang to. I'm so excited! Grabe! Hello po! Magana po? Saan? Oh! Kaway ka! Tama! Thank you! Sobrang funny guys, sabi niya sa akin. Nakikita daw niya ako sa TikTok. Funny! So anyway guys, dito na tayo sa NLEX. Ilang minutes na lang ba? 1 hour and 7 minutes na lang. So anyway, yung gagawin natin sa Clark kasi is for my recurrence. So depende yun sa company. Sa amin kasi every 6 months, kailangan namin mag-go for recurrency. Yung gagawin namin for 3 days, so usually 2 days lang talaga siya. So nagkaroon ng additional 1 day for us to comply with the 90 days free takeoff and landing. So 5 months na akong hindi lumipad, so more than 90 days na yun. Pangalawang recurrent ko pa rin to. Hindi ko alam kung kinakabahan ako or na-excite kasi babalik na ako ng lipad. So, alam niyo ba guys na parehas lang yung nafe-feel yun sa kaba or sa excitement. So, anyway, i-check na lang natin yung minds natin na na-excite na lang tayo. Kasi kapag kinakabahan, negative pa yung impact compared sa sa na-excite tayo, di ba? So, positive yun. So anyway, kahit tomorrow pa naman yung pasok ko and yung mga gagawin ng mga trainings, require kami to wear a uniform para easier access for us just in case na may checkpoint, check our documents, if for work pa talaga yung pinuntan namin. So yun. Gusto ko lang din sabihin na I wanna thank my family, my friends, my partner, sa lahat ng mga nakalibad ko dahil they made me who I am today. Sobrang happy ako, naiiyak pa talaga ako. Iyak ako ng teary eye ako people na affected yung job nila dahil sa coronavirus. Whatever that is you're experiencing right now, it's all temporary. Redirect lang na tayo into something good, something better, something that we really deserve. So I think we're here, pero hindi ko lang alam kung saan pwede mo parking. So guys, we made it here safe and sound. So ay, ID ko pala all this time. I'm happy na I'm here na. So let's go na. So anyway guys, wala namang tao eh. So anyway guys, sobrang dami ko yatang nadala. Overpacking ako. So ito yung mga stuff ko na ibababa. Pero mamaya ako na bababa yan. Babalikan ko na lang. Tapos meron pa doon sa harap. Oh my god. So magdadalawang balik na lang ako. So I'm working na towards the hotel. Apparently, medyo may kalayuan siya. So sana itong ano na. Yan ang nakikita natin. Yan na yung entrance kasi pagod na ako. Malayo-layo ah. Ay, hindi na pala. 656. My room is at 654. So, yan. Hi, we're here. Uy. Yan. Sanitize ko. Yay. So, super simple lang. Yay! Nasa room na tayo. Simple lang siya. And napansin nyo pala kanina, wala palang checkpoint. So, yun. So, if you're traveling papuntang Clark, so, just want to say na walang checkpoint. Ay, sorry guys, di ko pala masyadong na-flex kasi nakapatay yung ilaw. So, yan. Welcome to our room. So, yan. Take 2 with lights on. So, I'll be staying here for 3 days. Wala, grabe haggard na pala ako. So, papalit na ako ng clothes. Nakasettle na ako and naka-change na ako ng clothes. Buti na lang nag-leggings ako kasi ang lamig. Garal ako siguro mga around 7:15. So, mag-rest muna ako after a super long day. So, magpapa-room service na lang ako for dinner. So, nandito na yung aking dinner. Guys, yung bagnet natin. Sana crunchy na. Ito na yung mga gagamitin ko for tomorrow. Tapos na ako mag-prepare. Night before talaga, mag-prepare na ako para baka mamaya may makalimutan ako na yung susuot ko. So, hindi naman kami kailangan mag-uniform. Brought my headset with me. And then, Energen, of course. And other snacks. And my medicine, additional mask. And shades. So, dapat nandito din yung iPad ko, but ginagamit ko pa right now. I'm all set for tomorrow's agenda. Yung mga stuff ko lang. Pero right now, magre-review pa ako. It's now 9:11 p.m. and magre-review ako until 11. And I have to wake up at around 5:45 to prepare, mag-breakfast, mag-coffee. And then, alis kami dito around 7:05. So, mag-aral na ako, guys. Bye! So, yan yung mga ginamit ko kanina for studying. And please don't mind my writing. Na sobrang ganda. So, ayan na yung mga notes ko. So, yan. Sinulat ko lang para maalala ko. Wash up na ako and then doon na lang ako magbabasa sa bed para at least condition na yung body ko for sleep.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. So right now, it's around 6:30 and I'm going to get breakfast sa baba. Alam, weird pa ng boses ko. I guess what's for breakfast? I got the food and coffee.
The next day.
So, hi guys! So, kakatapos lang ng second day of training ko, which is on my way to Angeles Flying Club.
Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Para ako nasa field trip. Wow! Ito yun! Solid! Oh! Yay! Let's go!
Ikaw muna ba? Tapos earbuds muna kayo. Tapos ako na lang magkakaroon.
Sobrang bigla ito guys.
Hello!
Hello! Vince from Cockpit
Chatter.
Yes, and follow niya yan sa YouTube. Di ba may YouTube channel din kayo?
Yes, ma'am. Ako yun.
So sobrang biglaan to.
Ito yung mga lakad na natutuloy.
Actually, no?
Kaysa sa pinaplano. Next.
Ay, naririnig tayo, no?
Yes, ma'am, may audio to eh.
That's nice.
Pwede tayo mag-Baguio sa fuel natin.
Seryoso.
Kasama natin si Ma'am Jessica Carandang.
Yes.
Ino-orient namin sa ulit sa 172.
Sobrang nakakamiss. Parang yung high school days.
Yeah. Marunong pala may batch si Ma'am na Cessna. Siyempre, sharp si Ma'am. Sharp!
Hello.
Usually kami for landing 50 knots eh. Kailan ka huling lumipat ng Cessna, Ma'am?
Ayan na. Parang 2016.
Oh, wow. And then you went straight to the Caravan?
Yes, yes.
Oh, parang Caravan lang dito, Ma'am.
Oh, yun nga yung na-feel ko na first flight ko ng Carabao.
Ganda ng handling ni Ma'am, no? Idol ba yan si Ma'am eh? Cool job, This is a cool job.
Oh, yes, yes. Salamat. Ang enjoy naman to. Ang ganda pa nung nung ambience.
Okay, sunset flight. Doors.
Okay.
Ano mo? Probably 11 o'clock now. Anytime, Ma'am, punta ka dito.
Sige, sige, ayos to.
Lipad tayo. Full jump. Okay. Aim for the threshold.
Okay.
That was nice. Actually, yun na yan. Kuha mo siya.
Okay.
Actually, ikaw nakuha mo pa kayo 50 sa first try eh. Nakuha mo yung 50 sa first try. Alright. Thank you guys for flying.
Yeah, thank you. Next time ulit.
Uh-huh.
Part 2. Stand by for part 2. Thank you. My newfound friends. Hello. Kailangan niya ba ng tulong ko?
So, I just got home. Super fun day. So, yun. And probably, it's not the last. So, you would see more of me and the Cockpit Chatter. Please do follow their page. Tomorrow, it's gonna be my last day. So, yun. And tonight, I'm gonna pack up na my things and bring my stuff with me and check out early para madala ko na yung stuff with me sa simulator and makadiretso na umuwi. So, good night, guys!
The following day.
Good morning, guys. Last day today, it's 7:30 a.m. and I'm gonna study in a while. Study until 11. So, check out time. So, papunta na ako ngayon sa parking area to get my car para ma-load ko na rin yung stuff. Ay, kuya, what's your name?
Randall.
Wow, thank you, Sir Randall. Doon na po tayo sa black car.
Security supervisor mo.
Wow! Nice to meet you po. See you more often po after 6 months. Yes po. Salamat po. Salamat.
Tapos lang ng session ko for today. Pauwi na ako. So, today was really hard. But, may pass naman. And I'm really thankful sa mga instructors na nakasama ko for the past 3 days. Of course, sa captain ko who's always like monitoring and checking on me. And I'm really like grateful for them kasi I learned a lot. And natapos yung sim session namin around 6:30. And I haven't eaten anything yet since 10 a.m. So, nag-take out ako ng double cheeseburger. So, I just got home, guys, and I'm super duper tired, but I'm happy. I really do take recurrent training as a positive learning experience that makes pilots better pilots. The key is to arrive prepared and ready to learn. I usually get serious for 2 to 3 weeks for the training to brush up aircraft systems, memo items, emergencies, and abnormal procedures na usually naka-indicate sa study guide or sa syllabus na provided ng training department. When I'm on a recurrent training, I don't worry about losing my job if I ever fail. I worry about not doing a good job. Many pilots set high standards for themselves. Minsan kasi kahit na prepared ka, pero pag kinulang ka sa tulog, tinamaan ka na anxiety or kaba, malaking factor yun na posibleng ma-mental block ka. Kaya it's important to have enough rest and relax and have faith that things will work out. But of course, you still have to do your part na mag-aral kasi if you fail to meet the minimum standard of safety in flying, means you have to retake the training. But at the end of the day, it's all about practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes pilots. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for being with me today. And if you learned something new and if na-enjoy nyo to, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And see you again on my next vlog. Peace.